Hi friends, in this video we are going to look how to consolidate report with the help of consolidate function in Excel. Okay, how to consolidate? Okay, because this is the performance report for the driver. Okay, for the couriers, they did deliveries for three different contracts. These are all the three different contracts they completed for the deliveries. And over here, and we are going to identify each and every driver how many deliveries has been done over the past 10 months. That is what the consolidation report we are going to look. Okay, based on contract wise we updated over here. Okay, we are clubbing because respective driver how many deliveries has been done overall. Okay, that is what the thing we are going to look over here. And if you're doing for pivot table, it will not get accurate, right? Example I will show you. Because the consolidation report pivot table will be the easy one, but over here we are not using for the pivot table, we are using for straight away for the consolidating respective data. Why? Because first, once you are getting detail, just you can check it how many people duplicate drivers will be there, because same driver will perform for different contract also. From here you can go for conditional formatting and duplicate values. Okay, see how many drivers, duplicated drivers will be there, they perform for different contracts. One driver they perform for three contract also. That's the reason we are going to look for the consolidated report. And over here you can check totally how many drivers list available. It is 163, and even though many duplicates is available. And for the duplicates, if you're checking in a sense how many duplicates, it's out of 163 it is available for 141 duplicates. Okay, so in this, how we can consolidate, that is what we are going to do right now in a easy method. In a fraction of second we can do it this one. Okay, let me see how we can do. I will remove this duplicate first. Just for the identification I'm telling to you, because these are the duplication will be available. If there is no duplication, we can consider this report as a final, right? So duplication will be available. Now I'm removing rules from the entire sheet. Remove. Okay, so over here you can go to data. um, you can click data, and over here you can check under the data tools, you have to check for the consolidate. Okay, such kind of menu will be available. That one you have to click, and already it is available for some see whatever existing one I will delete. It will be the fresh one. Okay, once you're opening the sheet, this kind of window only appear. So what you have to do, sum. Yeah, we are doing consolidation, that's the reason it is available for the function like sum. Now we are going to choose for the reference, click the reference. We need to consolidate as a whole table until grand total. We not required for the contract. Why? Because we are clubbing together for all the contract. Even if it is available for 20 contract also, we are clubbing based on courier performance. We are going to identify such a cases as it is not required for the contract. Okay, so I'm leaving for the contract field. Okay, until other thing I'm selecting, and just you selected for the range from driver to until grand total. That is what driver will be A3, and it will be K 166. Until that it has been selected, just you can give us add. It is added. This is a table you are consolidating. Suppose if you have some other table also, some other Excel file also will be there, as the same way you can consolidate and add over here. Okay, right now I'm doing only one file consolidation only, so I have selected, and over here you can select for top row, and this one also you can select for left column. Just you can click it as okay. Source
If it
reference
is coming
overlaps
such kind of
destination
error, then
area.
what you have to do, you can copy and paste
Okay,
for the new workbook. Okay, then normally you can do it, and then it will come. Okay, right now you can go data and data consolidation. Right now you have to select for the reference. Okay, for the reference I'm choosing from driver to until that December. Okay, that is what the thing I'm choosing right now. And because not required for grand total as well as for the contract, because we are doing for consolidation for only for the drivers, right? We need to find it out for the driver performance only. So over here it is not required for the contracts. Okay, that is what the thing we are doing. And again it has changed. Okay, I'm going to do again. So this is a way, just you can delete this one, Okay, remove it. Now you can choose for the reference until December at the end. Okay, as a whole table you can choose, and just you can add over here, and for the top row as well as for the left column that is required. And for create link, suppose in the future if you have made any changes, just you can click this drop box. Otherwise, if you are not doing any changes, because we are doing analysis over here, right, for the historical data we are not going to touch anything else. So such a cases I'm not clicking this one. Suppose if you are doing anything in the current data, and in the future if you are going to change something and it should be reflected in the consolidation in a sense, just you can click it. Okay, over here it is not required, that's the reason I'm not clicking this one. So just I'm clicking for okay for the proceed. Okay, for the consolidated table will be appear in the same sheet itself, it will not appear any other workbook, and not for the separate sheet and all. See here it is appear the same workbook. Earlier there should be a duplicate names available. Now you can check it how many names is available. Now you can put the total of the names, it is showing for 72, right? Earlier it will be 162 something like that, right? Earlier one, this is what it is showing for 163. Okay, right now only 72. Why? Because all duplicates and all eradicated and it is clubbed together. That is what the consolidation we are telling. Okay, so now we are looking for the total also 029 as the same total will be appear over here. That is also we can check it, because that time only consolidation will be the 100% accurate report. Okay, so now it will be proper. This is a way you have to do for the consolidation. I think it will be very useful for everyone. If it is useful, kindly share to your friends whoever is required, as well as if you are not a subscriber of this channel, just you can subscribe and thumbs up if you like this video. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching this. You will get it in future video, this kind of things.